Uasin Gishu County.
Murder convict Joseph Irungu alias Jowie will tomorrow know the severity of his punishment when Lady Justice Grace Nzioka will sentence him. Irungu was found guilty of murdering businesswoman Monica Kimani in 2018. His former co-accused, journalist Jackie Maribe, was acquitted in the case. Our reporter, Vera Mora, previews the sentencing.
Has been rescheduled.
All eyes will once again be focused on Lady Justice Grace Nzioka Wednesday morning as she sentences Joseph Irungu alias Jowie after finding him guilty of murder charges. The judge found there was enough evidence beyond reasonable doubt that Jowie indeed killed Monica in 2018. Former TV news anchor Jackie Maribe, who was charged alongside Irungu, was however acquitted for the murder charges. On 8th of March 2024, the sentencing of Jowie was postponed after Lady Justice Grace Nzioka pointed out that some documents meant to assist the court reach the final decision were submitted late.
I expected a write-up, even from the victims' families, counsel in form of submissions. And I expected a write-up from the accused person's lawyer in no other form than mitigating or mitigation submissions.
Monday 12th was the last day given for those documents to be presented, giving the court time to make the decision. However, the family of businesswoman Monica Kimani has urged the court to consider how their loved one was brutally murdered and sentence her killer Jowie Irungu to death. Jowie and Maribe have been on trial since 2018, with the prosecution having called 35 witnesses. Monica Kimani's body was found in a bathtub with her throat slit. Her hands and feet were tied behind her back and her mouth was taped shut. Police said the murder would have required more than one man to execute. Vera Mora, KTN News.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki